So I just wanted to give an update on the snow globe process. I just filled it up with water, added some glitter and snowflakes. It was really messy. I was told that there's a little stopper in here, and if you were to seal it with this silicone glue, it would prevent any leakage. I think I did it right. We'll see. This was really messy to do, but I like how it turned out. So this is the first one. I'm gonna get the other two done and I'll show you the results. So this one, the tree ended up getting a little bit loose. I still like it, but yeah, it was unexpected, but still beautiful. Here is the finished product of the snow globes. This was time consuming, definitely. It took 2 days for the silicone glue to dry, but sadly one of the globes, the little tree that I glued down, ended up loosening and now it's not glued down. Kind of sucks, but still beautiful. So yeah, but the other two are still intact. So we have Joseph, Mary, and Jesus, and Santa and Mrs. Claus. And then this little reindeer. Kona. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's day 2 of 12 Days of Beauty, Trader Joe's Advent Calendar, and here we go. What's this? Gonna focus? It's not focusing. Cranberry Orange Moisturizing Lip Balm. Well, it's not focusing, but oh my god, this is so nice. So smooth. Smells good too. Feels good, smells good.